Mr. Chair, the resource person is not yet recognized, so
Your
I should
Honor,
be allowed to
I'm not
finish.
finished answering. May I request that the document be specific, Your Honor, so that I can accurately answer? Because there are several documents.
Kayo nagdalawang isip na magnotaryo ng mga certifications na merong blank, meron din walang personal appearance.
Your Honor, referring to what document, Your Honor?
Yung kanina, yung sa interpellation ni Kong Asidre.
Can we
Yung certifications ng
Specify,
OVP
Your
tsaka
Honor?
DepEd. Yung kanina po, it's fresh. I wouldn't assume na nalimutan po din niya. Pero yung mga pinakita po.
Yes, Your Honor, as I mentioned, while it's not written on the document, Your Honor, may I request that the document be specific, Your Honor, so that I can accurately answer, because there are several documents.
Napakita po kanina yun.
Your Honor, madaming document na pinakita po, Your Honor.
Okay, we can request the help of the technical staff, pero yung isa doon ay dapat dalawa yung sinasabing nag-appear personally. Isa doon si VP Sara, pero hindi siya nag-personally appear.
Yes, Your Honor. The document is an attestation, Your Honor. So when we attest, Your Honor, the one who is executing the document is the special disbursing officer. The attesting
Mr. Chair, I think na-establish na po kanina na supposedly, kung dalawa yung nakalagay na pangalan, tapos end pa siya,
No, Your
dalawa po
Honor.
sila. Mr. Chair, the resource person is not yet recognized, so
Your
I should
Honor,
be allowed to
I'm not
finish.
finished answering, Your Honor. My
I'm not
answer
finished
was
with my
Attorney,
question.
corrected. Patient time to answer because my answer was
Attorney-
incomplete.
Attorney Abella,
Yes, Your Honor.
huwag po kayo makipagsabayan. Antayin po ninyo matapos yung tanong bago po kayo sumagot.
I apologize, Your
Okay.
Honor.
So,
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I think napaka-basic din naman po ng tanong ko. We have already heard kanina ano yung mga ginawa pala ni Attorney Abella mula dun sa interpellation ni Kong Asidre. Actually, gusto ko pa nga po na marinig. Yun, kung nung ginawa po yon or bago pa nga magawa, ay hindi man lang ba nagdalawang isip na hindi ito yung tamang gawin, na magnotaryo sa mga dokumento na blank or wala yung personal appearance.
Yes, Your Honor. Referring to the certifications, Your Honor, the document was executed by the special disbursing officer. On the part of the attestation, Your Honor, ang understanding ko po dyan ay she was witnessing, Your Honor, and under the COA rules, Your Honor, ang talagang nag-o-oath, Your Honor, I think it's section 4.15, Your Honor, the one taking that oath is the SDO, Your Honor. That's why she is the one who is required to have a personal appearance. Yun po yung understanding ko, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Chair, kung hindi po nagdadalawang isip si Attorney Abella and she stands with what she did at gusto ko pa pong makita kung merong remorse man lang or any sense na posibleng baka naisip niya ay hindi tama yung ginawa niya tapos mapaisip man lang siya na pwedeng makahingi siya ng tawa dito sa komite natin or sa taong bayan kasi we owe it to the Filipino people, Mr. Chair. Pero ina-argue pa po na okay lang yung ginawa. Pero kahit po elementary, Mr. Chair, makakaintindi na kung dalawa yung nakalagay tapos end pa po yung word doon, ibig sabihin talaga, yung dalawa ay dapat mag-appear personally kay Attorney Abella. So, Mr. Chair, for me to conclude with my interpellation, mula sa mga narinig po natin, at doon din sa mga sagot ng mga natanong natin, na pinapanindigan po talaga nila yung kanilang mga ginawa. Mr. Chair, ang dating talaga sa akin, yung Office of the Vice President tsaka DepEd under Sara Duterte it needed people who either are lawyers, who know what they're doing, but they still decided to abuse what they know. Tapos nandyan din yung mga opisyal naman na hindi sila niluloop in sa paano talaga ginagamit yung pondo. Kinailangan po ang kaalaman ng ganitong mga abogado para sa Acknowledgement Receipt Factory, Mr. Chair, at para sa Certification Factory, para lang i-defend yung pag-abuso sa confidential funds. Kinailangan ang Acknowledgement Receipt Factory tsaka ang Certification Factory